Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Providence Computational Design. Today I'm super excited for today's tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can create a mesh relaxation which can be utilized as art installation, which these techniques are notable used by renowned architect Marc Fornes. In this tutorial, we are going to dive into three parts. The first part will create a mesh network. Second part will be form finding by Grasshopper and Kangaroo. Third part will be making strips for digital fabrication. So the first part, we create a line, and from the line we branch into lines forming the tree's tree branch known as a fracture tree. Part 2, we dive into and honest capability of Kangaroo to achieve mesh relaxation and form findings. This will bring our mesh into life. Third part, we explore the digital fabrication and make layout of strips so that we can take it into CNC machine and laser cut. I'm super excited to guide you through this process of creating a creative journal. So stay in touch and make sure that you can download all source file down in the description below. Hello guys, welcome back. This is part 2 for mesh relaxation. This part 2, the first part, we made our network mesh, which are simply with the curve, which we had level of recursive control and level of recursive we want, angle we want, so the height. So if you have not seen this video, the first video, go back and check it and come back to this video, because this is the second part of it. So here, after getting the network mesh, we simply make multi-pipe. It is sub-D surface, so we are going to turn into mesh. So in surface, there is this component called from sub-D to mesh, which we need rev1. Rev1 is enough, and then we close it. You can see it is automatically changing to mesh, which you can put level 2 or level 1. Simply levels, it is how you get fine mesh. So, but if you put many levels, the further the mesh will be heavy. Let's go. But before anything, let's put data down so that our data will not flow easily. So we have the control how they're passing with data. So first part, we have to bring Kangaroo elements. We have to bring solver. Let's bring everything we need. Solver. We need show mesh. We need edge length. So here we're getting all element we want. This one, we have to get component we want before. So Kangaroo, then we want edge length, we want anchor, then we want boolean toggle, and we want the button this side boolean toggle. Okay, then put it here. First time we want bank or exploded tree, so which we put there, and put mesh. So I think that is all we will put on side, and we feed our mesh. So let's first of all unify the mesh. Define the mesh to make sure that our mesh is unified, and make sure that we unify the normals so that our mesh is facing in the same direction. The first we put in show, and then after show we put in stem, which can take time. Okay, take 3 seconds because it is too big. And then take mesh edge to get the endpoint for anchor. So let's get curve. So for naked edge, we want to anchor this naked edge. So let's do it. So make sure you join first so that those individual lines, here we have many individual lines, but here we have 4. We have four lines, 4 curves, which representing our naked edge. And again, click make explode to get those points of anchor point. Then put it as a point. Then, but before anything, make average so that we can get the center point of each point so that we can scale our curve. Scale by this center point. Scale maybe 3. Here it's okay. Then divide the curve, divide our circle, and we get least length of our point we want to anchor. We want to pull on our anchor. So get least length, but you can pull point or divide any way you want. Take this point and pull on this geometry. It's the same things, which will be our target point. Put it on side. So I think we have all goals. So let's put it in merge, combine them. First one will be mesh, and second will be edge length, and make sure it is crafted and flatten it, and press shift to add also the anchor. Put it there and you wait. It's taking time. It is taking time. Let's first of all minimize our script so that cannot take much time. First of all, let's reduce the height. Use the height, the size, put 300 example, increase height a little bit, yeah, and put level 1. to increase the number of the faces. Then pass data, then make this enable. So also it's taking time because it is heavy typology. After looking, we have to run with our simulation. First of all, make sure everything is close. But before anything, make sure that everything is close. This is not displaying, and then we start our simulation by making a Boolean true. Wait. Okay. You see, there's a problem. Maybe it is working. There is no problem. Only we have to display this one. It didn't display our mesh, so let's first of all close our simulation, close our Kangaroo. It's taking time because it is heavy. Let's close it. After close it, now we are free with it. So the second part, it is where I have mesh. Okay. So this is our mesh. Go ahead and refine the mesh. Refine mesh. Put level 2. Level 2 will give you this result, which quite okay, but I don't like to use this mesh. We are going to use Vivabuds with Cardinal cloth. So go ahead and open Vivabuds. I hope you have this plugin called Vivabuds. Where it is here, Vivabuds, and choose Vivabud Cardinal subdivision. Plug it there and put 2 levels. Yeah, you see it is much right, much softer than that one. Let's make preview. Before we make preview, let's put strip. So the third part will be to make production. So let's put strips taking 45 seconds. It is too heavy because it is too tall. It is okay. Let's display color based on strips. This strength, and then bring color with the triangle, then preview. Preview our strips. And clear graft. So now we can go to rendering mode to see our structure, see even colors, and make sure everything is disabled. So here the mistake, here after unify our direction, we simply need to unroll the mesh. So let's correct it. We have to find unroll strips, which also may take time, but let me correct it. I'll show you after finishing. So now it is done. What we did, we took our mesh and we find the mesh direction, and then we make strip. So let me bring this component for getting the name of our components. So you can see mesh direction. After resolving mesh direction, make strips, and this shape is the one we will take for production, to sort into production. So don't miss out third part of this video. I think we are done. Thank you so much, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you are not a subscriber, I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And remember to like and share this video. So thank you so much. See you next time. For those guys who are watching this video who didn't watch the first part, I will make sure that I will link down the mesh typology, or the line network of this mesh, so that it can be easy for them to flow alongside. So this is it. Thank you so much. Bye.